My name's Dr. Brad Deakin. I'm coming to you from Life Lounge Chiropractic and Health Center in Burlington, Ontario. This is my friend.
Helen Smith?
Okay, she was worried about answering questions, so she got the first one right.
Yes.
So, Helen, what did you originally come in here for?
The pain in my shoulders all the way down, like my arms are numb. The pain is so severe. I've been crying in the morning to night.
No offense, but she didn't come in great shape. We thought we might have to euthanize her. But she's pulling through. How long have you been under care here?
Actually, this is for the last month and a half.
So this is your what? Your seventh adjustment, right? So 7 adjustments. How are you feeling?
Awesome.
Okay, so, and she didn't come in with a lot of hope. Would you agree?
Yes.
Right?
You were my last hope. You really
Last
were.
hope. So the cool thing about it is that no matter what gravity works whether you believe it or not. So does chiropractic care. If it's done right and it's done specifically, it works because it relies on the inherent recuperative powers of the body. This stuff works miracles, but you have to take that leap of faith first. What suggestion would you give to people that are on the fence?
I would say you've been continuing doing this and being in so much pain and try, because it's gonna help you.
Right.
You're gonna feel so much better.
Right. And it's not a replacement for medicine by any means,
Yes.
but it does offer hope to people that have lost hope. So we hope to see you soon. My name's Dr. Brad Deakin. We're coming to you from Life Lounge Chiropractic and Health Center in Burlington, Ontario. Thank you.